Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy. It is the red button that is right underneath this video. If you press it, it turns gray and you're in. It's that simple. Nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. And like I said, it's free. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. There is also a bell that is beside the subscribe button. What that does is if you press that, YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I have just uploaded a new video. I suggest very highly that you do that because I do a lot of deals and things that are time sensitive, and I do upload a lot, and it's a nice little reminder that you have something that maybe you wanted to not forget to watch. All right? Okay. This video is going to be a little bit different than my norm. If you've been watching my previous videos this month, I've been getting a lot of duplicates in my boxes. It happened to me for the first time with Ipsy last month, and that was due to errors on Ipsy's part. This month, because of Boxycharm's program, I have been doing a lot of different ways of being able to get the products so that I can share them with you guys. So what I did a couple of months ago when I started the channel was I had for a long time my regular box that I paid for the entire year, and I added my Boxy Luxe to that box. With that said, when I started the channel, and also for reasons that I was finding what was supposed to be in the Boxy Luxe was supposed to be all the items that were in the regular box, and then when you upgraded to Luxe, you were supposed to get those plus more. And I was finding during the last few previous months, I was missing out on some items that I wanted. Then they started the customization. So what ended up that I was going to do just one box during that month of the Luxe so that I would have it to share with you guys, for the people who didn't have the Luxe would be able to see the base box. The next month they changed it to customization as well. So then you were able to get a choice between two products. So it made sense for me to keep that extra $20, that time it was $20 or $21 box, simply because I was able to show you guys that extra customization, be it in my box that I normally get or this new account that I had to set up to get that extra box. Because you need to have a separate account for that. Now I got very lucky. I had it for 2 months, and based on all the variations that Boxycharm has, I did not get any duplications in any of those boxes. Then came the month of November, and I got duplicates of a lot of the items that were in my box. So the first box that I got was the box that I posted originally, was one of my first videos for the month of November for the unboxings, and I was so excited. Everything that was in there, everything was great. Then I knew I was probably going to get a duplicate of the eyeshadow palette, which I was planning on doing a video to share that with you guys. So what this giveaway is going to be and how I'm going to handle my situation, I did write it to Boxycharm to see if we can get it so that I don't get duplicates, because you know my channel's here to share what I get, to show you, so that if you want something, you know, to make it like a resource for you. It's not, you know, this day there's a giveaway, you know, like things like that. That isn't why I started the channel. But if I'm getting duplicate products, there's only so much you can keep for family and friends and things like that. So with that said, there's going to be a couple of videos that I'm going to be putting out that are going to be giveaways, but it's based on the duplications that I got. I also decided that I didn't want to do this, you know, large giveaway with all these items together, because all of these products have strong merit on their own, and I want the persons who want these products, that those are the ones that are going to subscribe for the giveaway, because it's something that they didn't get and they wanted. I hope that makes sense. So today's giveaway that I'm going to be doing was the first one that I knew was going to be in the box, and I knew with my second box I was probably going to get it in that one as well, and that's the Dominique palette. This is the one that I'm keeping for myself. I will swatch it again in this video, but if you've already watched the videos, you've already seen the swatches on there. So I'm going to do that, and then here is the second one that is going to be going in the giveaway. So before I do the swatches, I just want to tell you, it's really simple what you need to do. You just have to be subscribed to my channel and make sure you're public. If you don't know how to do that, you have to go to your settings, and where it says private, you've got to change it to public. It's the only way that a creator can see that you have subscribed to their channel. If I can't verify that, it's impossible for me to know that you subscribed. So that's important. The second thing you have to do is you have to be also following me on my Instagram, which is under the name True Wants, but with the number 2. In the comments below in YouTube, you have to leave that you want this. This is the palette that you want, that you're not just coming by to say hi, because a lot of you just do that, and I appreciate that so much. That you want this palette, you want to be part of the giveaway, and leave your Instagram name so that I'll be able to DM you if you win. Okay? I'm also going to be leaving this open until the 22nd, which is a Friday of November. So it's going to be just over a week. All right? So it should give everybody enough time that if you don't watch my videos daily, that when you're catching up on the weekends to catch up on videos, that you'll be able to see it for yourself. Okay? Also, this is for US only. As you know, I'm a new channel just starting out, so this is, something that I'm doing simply because of the duplications. All right, I hope that's clear. I will leave it again in the description what you have to do, and I'll repeat it again at the end, but I definitely want to show the swatches so that if this interests you, that's what this is all about. So this is the Dominique palette. It is, she's a YouTuber who's been around for a long time, and she was one of the first to start her own business selling makeup, and she has gotten phenomenal reviews on her eyeshadow palette. So I think we're very lucky that she worked with Boxycharm to do a collaboration and a special palette that's only for us charmers. So this is what the palette looks like. I'll give you guys, there's a full mirror on the other side, so I'm just going to flip it back. So it is the length of the palette, and that's what the whole palette looks like. Okay, you do have the film that is covering the mirror to the shadows so that they don't transfer onto the mirror. And now I'm just going to swatch the palette that I've already swatched for myself. So you have 3 shimmers. They're really satin shimmers, so they just have a little bit of spark to them. It's not like heavy glitters or anything like that. And the last one is a matte on the top. So those are the first 4 that are on here, and I will just swatch them on the back of my hand. And this happened to me last time too. The brown one on the end seems to need the matte, a second little swipe, and then you're able to see that it's a lot better when I do that. All right, now I'm just going to clean off my hands with a wet makeup wipe, and I have a towel beside to dry off so that I'm not using wet fingers to swatch, so you guys can see exactly what the colors look like. And then the bottom 4 are all mattes. You have a pink, a brown, a burnt orange, and a strong teal. So the colors are really pretty. So these are colors that I would use all the time. These I will play with. So I'm happy that she put standards in the palette and then a couple of extra pops. So for, us girls that are real, not adventurous, it will give us a chance to dabble a little bit, but still be able to enjoy a palette. So I'll give you guys one more up close of the palette. That's what it looks like there, and that's them swatched. Okay, so once again, this is a duplicate giveaway in the Boxycharm 2019 Dominique palette that I'm going to be doing. Like I said, US residents, need to be subscribed to my channel, it's simply by hitting the red button that's right underneath. If it turns gray, you're in. Just make sure your settings, that it doesn't say private, that it says public. If I see that you do want it and I can't find you as being public, I will send you a comment to make sure that you know that that's the issue. Otherwise, just go to True Wants 2 on Instagram. Tell me that you saw the video on YouTube and that you're going to leave a comment there with your YouTube name and your Instagram handle. All right. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking in. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a few of these simply because I did get a lot of duplicates. I did write to Boxycharm to see if this is something we can solve. If not, I might not be getting the second box because there's no need for, you know, more boxes of the same items. It was really so that I could show more items to you guys. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck to everybody. And like I said, I will be reaching out to the winners on the 22nd of November of 2019. All right, take care for now. Bye-bye.